Hello, my dear friends. Guess what? I'm at the aquarium today. There are some colorful fish swimming around in the big, sparkling tanks. I'm going to take a few pictures so I can draw them later. Join with me. Let's draw it together. Fish explore their underwater world with curiosity. Asking questions and exploring new things can be so much fun. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Keep practicing and having fun. And until next time, bye-bye!